Hey, good evening, Map here, Map Investments. So, gonna do a video here on the markets. Um, as you know, I did a video. I try and do a video every day if I can. I do work, and I get busy with life. So, but sometimes, when I get the time, I like to chime in and give you some of my opinions and what I see out there. Um, And in yesterday's video, I talked about the markets and that I don't really like much of what I see. But whatever, that's what makes a market, I guess. Let's start with King Dollar. King Dollar is up a smidge here. Foreign currencies are down except the pound and the franc. The Swiss franc is flat. Bitcoin up 500. Oil at 82.76, pretty flat. S&P down 17.25, and gold hanging around 1800. The markets are under pressure right now because you had Amazon report pretty horrible and Apple. I shorted both of them. Yeah, I know. Call me crazy, but I shorted both of them into the earnings. And I'll show you the trades. Small caps had a big rally today, down 4. Nasdaq's down 118. Dow Jones down 50. Natural gas at 568, down 10 cents. Platinum and palladium flat. Copper 450 more or less. 444, 450 is where they've been hanging out. Silver over 24. VIX nice bid up to 50 cents. To 1915. Hopefully it gets over 20 tomorrow. The grains flat. 30-year bond is up, and 10-year the 30-year bond is up. The rates are up. The bonds are down, and the 10-year is pretty flat. After the bell, you had earnings from a lot of people. We're in the earnings season. Let me see if so. Amazon badly misses on earnings and revenue, gives disappointing guidance. Amazon Web Services tops analyst estimates on profit and revenue. Behind Apple supply issue and what's causing them. Apple sales miss expectations. Supplies issue cost company $6 billion. So both of them were down after hours. Amazon's finally a services company, and that's the only reason it's profitable. So Facebook changed its company name to Meta, and I did my prior crypto video. Anything that has Meta in it to deal with Meta, it will go up. Meta shares spiked, but it's a material company, not rebranded Facebook. That's funny. That's really funny. But if you go to the crypto space, the highest moving cryptos are anything that have to do with the metaverse. Kramer reacts to Apple and Amazon's rough earnings, says problems are temporary. Okay. It was basically, so there's a Squid Game cryptocurrency. It's up nearly 2,400 in the last 24 hours. Crazy. That is crazy. I gotta do more research and see what crypto is that. What else? Lawmakers threaten big oil with subpoenas after day-long hearing. While more people are attending sustainable events than ever. Business for Wyndham Hotels and Resorts is absolutely stronger than pre-COVID. Kramer says speculating on crypto is okay as long as the investors know all the risks. I've been doing that more. I'll pick a coin that seems like it makes sense, and I'll put a little bit, but I won't do a lot. And I advise you to do the same, and also hard assets, silver and gold. All right, so that was the news on CNBC. On the order front, I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So on my break, I I did 12 trades, closed out Twitter for a profit, bought a SPY put, closed out Merck for a profit, closed out Comcast for a profit, Las Vegas Sands for a profit, Teladoc for a profit, opened the trade in Chewy for it to go higher. I think you're going to get a short squeeze there. Closed out LCID, big move in that stock today. And here are my shorts on Apple. What I did was I sold the 152, 155 call credit spread, and then I bought a 145 put for a credit of 80 cents. So I did that. And then in Amazon, I sold the 3600 305 call credit spread, and I bought the 3120 3110 put debit spread, which probably won't materialize, but whatever. Hey, I took a shot to the downside, and I'll probably keep my $55 on the trade with the high profit. Who knows? Maybe Amazon goes down a lot tomorrow, but that would need to be a big move. And those were my trades today. I really didn't see much. Remember, we have a lot of earnings, so with earnings season, it's tough to really get into anything. LCID I closed out. VIS, I have a position in there, but it's getting hammered. Amazon and Apple got killed. Nice gain on Ether trending here. ALF is probably a pump and dump. I have to see if they have options. Semi-automatic up 20%, nice. And United Steel up nice too. I do have a position in TRIT. I didn't close it out. It was up 30. And Atom, I didn't do anything. Looks like Zendesk got killed after hours. Apple and Amazon pretty hit hard. Starbucks hit hard. Shopify wasn't great earnings, but it was up. Vision got hit hard. United States Steel up. Overstock, I guess, reported good up. Caterpillar up. Merck up. Mo Cigarettes down. MicroStrategy owns Bitcoins up. Team, oh look, Team did good, up 10% almost. Bud Light up 10%. MoneyGram up 30%. Give me a second, guys. My wife will start screaming at me. The fan turned off. She'll be like, "What's going on? I don't feel anything blowing. What's going on?" All right, there's the fan. Sorry about that. All right, so, yeah, like I said, there's a lot of earnings going on, but some big players reported today, and it wasn't all rosy, and they're a big part of the index percentage-wise. Carrier, they do air conditionings. I like that one. Stryker down 5 almost. Just a lot of earnings. Look at that. I'm not gonna go through all of them. But yeah, I mean, we'll see what happens. I think the Fed meets next week. It'll be interesting to see what they do. We had trade deficit news yesterday. It was really bad. We also had GDP